These are blue light blocking glasses by Prospek. This model is called Destiny, and for full disclosure, this was sent to me by Prospek for the purpose of making this video. No money was exchanged, I am not following a script, and Prospek did not review this video before uploading, and as such, all opinions are my own. This is an unboxing and first impressions on this product, so you and I are going to look at what's inside for the first time together. Inside the box we get a carrying case. It is lightweight and has a plastic clip to hang it. It is a hard case with cloth-like texture. Here we have the glasses. You can tell from the desk mat that the lens have a slight yellowish tint. You can also tell how much it reflects the blue light from the lights in my ceiling, so this is a good sign. Prospek provides a card for testing the blocking of the blue light. It also has a little blue light lamp, and the idea is that if you beam the blue light on the white strip, the strip should change color. Okay, so let me test it out a bit, and yes, as you can see, the strip looks like it was burned by the light. Of course, the longer it is exposed to the blue light, the darker it gets. Looks like if you give it a few seconds, you'll see that it fades back to white again. Alright, so let's give these glasses a test. Now, if they really do block out the blue light, the strip should not change color under the lens of the glasses, but it should look burned on the part that is exposed. I am not going to go easy on this test. Let's expose it to a lot of the blue light. Okay, I think this is enough to confirm how well it has blocked the blue light. As you can see, there is a very clear distinction on where the glasses cover the white strip and where the blue light was exposed directly to the white strip. So I guess this means that it does work quite well. Now back to the glasses themselves. I like how incredibly lightweight they feel. I'm going to test out to see how well they fit. And this is what they look like up close. Notice how much it reflects the screen in front of me. Like I said, these are super lightweight, and I really like how they fit my head. I also did a headphone test. The temples are not super slim, but they are still comfortable enough with these Jabra Evolve 275s. Overall, I really like these glasses. They did a very good first impression on me, they look good, they are lightweight and very comfortable. Oh, and did I mention they are super affordable? It's an easy recommend from me.